this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I'm coming to you guys live from my home office. And today we're going to be checking out different hits and misses that I received in different subscription boxes. So if you guys don't get subscription boxes, or you do, definitely stay tuned and let's get into the box. Okay guys, so this is going to be a combination of products that I've tried. It's been a couple months since I've had a hits and misses video, so we're definitely accumulating. I kind of wait until the product is totally empty to see if it was a hit or is a miss. I can give you guys my honest opinion. So if you guys did not see my last hits and misses video, I will put it somewhere at the top so that you guys can check that out once this is over, so you guys can check out what was a hit and miss. So these products, I may not remember exactly what subscription box they received, but if I do, I'll definitely put those videos down below so you guys can check them out, or I'll put the link to the product if I can't remember, so that you guys can check them out and see if they're worth it for yourself. So the very first item we are going to start with is from the brand Nexxus. Now Nexxus, I do remember what box I got this from. This was from the Target Beauty box, and for those of you who have been following my channel for a while, you guys know that I get the Target Beauty boxes for free, and I'll put that video down below so that you guys can check a look and see how what application I use to get those beauty boxes for free. The last couple of, I think the last 3 of beauty boxes, I received those totally free, and it's super easy, so I'm not going to go into that. I don't want to waste your time if you've already seen that video, but this was Nexxus. This is shampoo. We received a shampoo and conditioner, and I think I threw away the conditioner one, so sorry about that, but it was the same bottle, just like conditioner. This was for color treated hair. Most of the time I try to use products that I don't have to use heat on my hair, because right now it's summertime, it is very hot, so I am not the type of person that are trying to use a lot of heat, and you know, I don't want to get stuck doing my hair for long hours and stuff because it's too hot to do any of that. So I kind of like to keep my hair free, and this was a product that did. I have curly and dry hair. This was a good product. It did not keep it kept my curls curly and not frizzy, so I definitely would suggest you getting this, and I'll put the link for that everything below, so we're not going to go into that, but if I were to get the full-size product, I would definitely try this out. Right now I'm using Pantene. I love Pantene. I've used Pantene for a lot of years, so I'm gonna finish on that, and then I would definitely get this full-size product. So if you've never tried Nexxus, I think the last time I had Nexxus in my hair that I didn't actually pay for was when they did my hair. This is like a hair salon brand, so but I would definitely buy the full-size product if I needed shampoo and conditioner. So that's one. The next item that we have here is a face mask. Now if you follow my channel, you guys know I love face masks. I have subscriptions to face masks, different face mask companies. I love face masks, but the reason why I chose this one was from Face Story, and I will put that video down below if you guys want to learn more about how Face Story works, but on what I received. This is the first face mask that I actually received that had a scent for exactly was on the package. This one was chocolate, and it was by the company Apui. Hope I'm saying that right, but this one was really good. I usually use face masks. I work from home, so I usually use face masks on a weekly basis, and I'll have that on my spa day, like maybe a Sunday or a Monday. This one totally, I do like a 10-step process when I use face masks, and I try to do the 10-step skincare every day, and I will put the video somewhere above here, so that if you guys want to know what I do as far as skincare, I'll put that above so that you guys can check it out. It's a 10-step Korean skincare routine that I do, and I definitely incorporate this on once. I try to do twice a week, but it usually ends up being once a week, so I try to incorporate that and add the face mask to that routine. But this one was like, blew me away because it had that chocolate scent. So if you guys dig stuff like that, Face Story may be one that you want to check out, because the quality of Face Story was really good. So that's one. This one I know for sure I got from Ipsy. I redeemed my points for this. This one was totally worth it. This one was from Elemis. If you've ever tried Elemis, I'm not too sure, but this one blew me away. This was a superfood night cream. This one is definitely worth it. I would get the full-size product of this for sure. This one lasted me a long time. I have oily skin, if you can tell. I have oily combination skin. So this one did not make my face feel oily at night. It actually had like a woodsy smell to it, but it wasn't like a killer smell to it. This, I definitely would buy that. I know that this is a little bit higher brand, and higher, I guess you can say in the higher higher price range, sorry. But the reason why I say this is worth it is this lasted me, this is just a deluxe, you can say a trial size, deluxe size product. This one lasted a very, very, very long time for me. So I was surprised that it lasted me because you didn't need to put a lot for this. So that one was another one. The next item that we have here, I got this in my very first subscription box. This is from the company Busy Beauty. This is a showerless shampoo. So you guys can see that there. This one was really good. This is the first time I tried a showerless shampoo, a dry shampoo. I was quite surprised with this one. So I definitely loved it. My daughter and I both used it. We got a lot of use out of this. We don't have to use this all the time, but when you have curly hair, you tend to not you can't wash your hair often. So this definitely helped us in the end of that, end of those last days before you actually, maybe, my daughter had to go to school or I had to still work. You kind of didn't have time to wash that hair, but this definitely helped us in those end days. So I definitely recommend Busy Beauty showerless shampoo because that definitely did work for us. And the next one here I received, making sure it was empty because it felt full. This next one I actually received from Sephora on my birthday. So this is the first product I tried out from. This was from Drunk Elephant. This is a proteiny polypeptide cream. So this I used as a night cream. There you go, you guys can probably see that better now. So I use this as a night cream, and I really want you guys to see the name of it just in case. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of blurry, but again, I'll put the full name of this below. This was really good. This was, I basically used it after Elemis just to kind of give it a try, just to see. This was really good. Again, just like Elemis, you didn't need to put a lot at night. It was a different texture, so it was a little bit more moisturizing than Elemis, but this still did the work at night. After I did my whole routine, this was the last product that I put on my face, and I still did not feel oily at all. So this one is definitely one I would recommend for sure. And being that I've never tried Drunk Elephant before, it was definitely worth it. This one, I know for sure I received this in my Target beauty box. This was from number 7. This was a booster serum. So I'll put that there. Obviously it wasn't a huge, it was 3 milliliters. So it wasn't a lot, but this wasn't, it's a serum, so it wasn't meant for you to put all over your face. Really what I did is I put it under my eyes, like on my fine lines, because it was really a serum. So serum is more so of a targeted product. Use it here and you can use it there. I just focused on my eyes just because I kind of wanted to get a full effect and see how long that would last me and see if I saw a difference. It was a small product, obviously, so it didn't really see a difference, but I bet this is a higher priced item as well. I believe this is, I don't know. I'll put the link below because I can't think of how. I remember I looked it up when I got the box. It was on the box for the full size product, but I can't think off the top of my head how much this product was. As far as the full size product. So I definitely would try this out just to see if it works, but it was hard to determine if this did or did not work. But it was good to try. So I'm not mad at that because I got to try another product. Another item I have here, this was a free product I received from Allure, because when I signed up for Allure, if you get their beauty boxes, that first box, you usually get like free bonus products from it. So this was from L'Amour, and the reason why this is like such a big deal, there you go. The reason why this one was kind of like a big deal for me was because when I looked up this product, I had never heard of the company, but when I looked it up, I realized this was like I believe it's like a $200 product, and I have a video on that one if you guys want to check it out. They sent me two because I think there was a mistake on mine and they didn't actually send the bonus items, and when I asked them was I supposed to receive it, they actually sent me two, so I thought that was pretty cool. So this one, I have two like this and two serums, I believe the other one is. So this was just a moisturizer. This I actually use, it's a very small bottle, but it's very thick. So this one I actually use, there you guys can see it better. This one I actually used for a very long time because it took me a long time to get through it because it was so thick. I know the bottle looks very small, and as you can see it's empty. It's very small, but you're not using so much. And I think that's the difference between that product and the other products, is this one was thick while the other products were, you know, they were a little bit more less of a product. And even though that this was in a small bottle, it did last you a very long time. So that one I did see results from this one. This I definitely recommend. Although it's a higher priced product, this will last you a longer time. So obviously that's why it has so many great reviews on it. So that, again, this was La Mer, and this was just a moisturizing cream. Tiny bottle, but did the trick. All right. Okay, so I have two more products, and I'm trying to think of which one I should start off with. Oh, you know what? I'll go with this one. This is from Sol de Janeiro. This is a Brazilian cream, bum cream. Now, when I got into subscription boxes, I heard so much about this Sol de Janeiro bum cream. I bought this out of just curiosity. This was like an add-on for Ipsy for me. I kind of wanted to see what the big deal was all about, and the big deal about this one is it smells amazing. So this one smells so amazing that in my FabFitFun video, I actually chose, one of the choices that you had was if you wanted to choose the Sol de Janeiro and a set, like a Sol de Janeiro set, instead of all this other stuff. And I chose the Sol de Janeiro set just because of this little I think this is like a $2 or $3 add-on for Ipsy. I think it's $3. I'm not too sure, but because of this little trial size product, I'm in total awe and in love with Sol de Janeiro. So I definitely recommend it. This was a little product, trial size product, but it did last me a long time because because it was small, I only use this one on my hands and my elbows just to keep them from being dry, and it totally did the trick. So I can't wait to actually use the full size product of this that I received in my FabFitFun. But guys, this one, if you haven't tried it yourself, this is definitely one that you want to give a try for sure. So there you go, bum cream, you got to get it with it. And then last but not least, and this is kind of why I said this is a combination of subscription boxes and non-subscription boxes, but this was an empty, so I didn't want to disregard this one. This is Clean and Clear Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser. So that one, this was really good. This one lasted me a very long time because, and there's actually, if you see, there's a tiny bit, but I'm on to the next cleanser right now. So this one, I don't know how much this one is, but you know, when I put the link below in the description, you guys can check that out, see how much it is online. But this one did the trick, and it lasted me for a long time because it was foam. So I'm not too sure if that made a difference, but you didn't have to use so much in the cleanser in order to, you know, clean your face, get the makeup off. This one really lasted me a long time. So this one, if you're just looking for a cleanser, this one was really good. So I would definitely recommend the Clean and Clear Facial Cleanser. I guess because of the foam is what did the trick. So we'll do a recap on everything just so we can take a look to see what my hits, and really no misses this month, this part so far. A miss, let's see, did I have any misses? Not that I emptied out so far, so we can just call this a favorite. I guess we can call this just a favorites because I realized there are no misses on this one. So let's do a recap. So have the Clean and Clear Facial Foaming Cleanser. We have that. We have the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, which is infamous. We have that, and then we have the Lemire Moisturizing Cleanser. I know it's super tiny, but we'll put that there so you guys can take a look at that. And then we have the Drunk Elephant Cleanser, Peptide Cream. So we have that, and we'll see if that helps you at all. Drunk Elephant. And then we have Elemis Superfood Night Cream. You guys can take a look at that one. That was really good. And then we have the number 7 Booster Serum. And again, I'll put everything down below so you guys can check those out. We have the Busy Beauty Showerless Shampoo, Dry Shampoo. This was really good. And then last but not least, we have the Nexus Color shampoo and conditioner if you color your hair. So with that being said, do you guys use any of these products? I'd love to hear if you guys have tried these products. Do you recommend any of these products? Did you like any of those products? Let me know down below. And definitely, if you like videos like this, or if you like subscription boxes, or if you like haul videos, if you dig any videos like these, definitely like and subscribe. And share with me what your favorite products are so I can give those a try. And maybe your suggestion will be in my next hit or miss video. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Have a good day, guys.